Hey friends, come along as we are here at an exclusive sneak peek at one of the most exciting new retail experiences of the year. This is the first ever and the only Build-A-Bear and Hello Kitty and Friends workshop. It's opening tomorrow at Westfield Century City in Los Angeles, which also happens to be my favorite mall. If you follow along on Instagram, you may remember this story from September where I was walking through the mall and this was my reaction.
What? Are you kidding me? Look at this.
And now it's here. This new workshop is next level, and we've got some exciting surprises for you, including a little giveaway, so be sure to stay tuned for that. If you've been a lifelong Hello Kitty fan like me, this is a total dream. Let's head inside and see all the fun and magic. There's floor-to-ceiling goodness and cuteness in every corner. It was a bit overwhelming in the best way. Bearamy and Hello Kitty were there to greet everyone with hugs and love. She blew kisses and loved the back of my dress so much that she encouraged me to turn around to show off the bow. Even though Juniper's not smiling, she was really loving every moment. We found the nook with treats, snacks, waters, and goodie bags, and let me just tell you, Juniper somehow managed to eat the red macaroon without getting it all over her and all over the floor.
This is so exciting. You have no idea. She has no idea.
So we got some scents over here that you can make your buddies smell good. Our top two popular is the cotton candy and the bubble gum. Did you want to take a smell? See if you like it?
She was waiting so patiently in line, decided on cotton candy. I chose strawberry.
Up here, look. Yeah, there you go. Oh, one more time. Okay, ready? Go ahead, put the sound chip right here.
Good job.
All right.
Yay! Pick it up. Thank you.
There you go.
Success! This shopping bag is so cute, though I'm definitely going to save it. I'm not sure yet what to do with it. If you have any ideas, please let me know in the comments. I'm going to show you how I quickly started to document this event in my planner, as well as show you some of the goodies that we got that we want to share with you in the giveaway. But first, I thought some of you may want to know more about this dress. It is actually from Hello Kitty's 40th anniversary 10 years ago. I bought it at Hello Kitty Con, where I taught scrapbooking workshops using cute Hello Kitty paper products. One of the first things I did when I came home was take out my planner and put this sticker that I ripped off of Junie's water bottle right into it. You can see it's a little bit ripped, but I don't mind at all. I was so excited to stick it on there. I then took off this tag and realized that I didn't have enough room either at the top or at the bottom, so I needed to cut it, which is fine. I used my Fiskars scissors, I cut it into a little rectangle. These are the remnants, and I'm going to stick it down here, but I want to place something first. So I'm going to grab a sheet from Paper Play. In case you didn't know, this is my latest book that is meant to be torn apart and made into art. So I'm just looking through and finding a color that I want to grab. I've torn apart a bunch of pieces and glued that one in, but I'm going to make sure I use all of those pieces on this week as well. And here is what it looks like. There's plenty of gaps to fill in, but I feel like this is a really good foundation. And because the store actually opens on Friday, I went ahead and put a camera sticker from my collection from a while ago down right here. So let's dive into these goodie bags. I love this little bag. It's so adorable. And it comes with a mini bear inside. So for the giveaway, we'll include the bear and the bag. We are keeping this Yeti tumbler because I think it's going to be too heavy. And then we're going to give these notepads, these 4 adorable notepads. This one's of Tuxedo Sam. All the pages are the same in each book. We're also going to throw in some not seen in this video items that we got from Japan that are Hello Kitty. We'll include a sticker and probably one of these pens, unless Juniper wants to keep them. I hope you understand. Which pin did we get over here? This is a Hello Kitty limited edition. Oh, look, it's Hello Kitty riding the train. All right, I'll also send this My Melody pin. To enter to win, make sure you're subscribed, leave a comment with your favorite Sanrio character. Give this video a thumbs up. I hope you enjoyed seeing Tika, Juniper's Choco Cat, and Ola Kitty being made. Here's how they turned out. They're loving their new home. Thanks as always for watching. I hope you feel inspired to come here to LA to check out the Build-A-Bear and Hello Kitty and Friends workshop.